Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. This unit that I'm rocking is the Sensational Butta Unit 17 and I have her in the color Balayage Mocha. And let me tell you, this color is everything. Like, this is how it comes straight out the pack. That's how the part and space look. This is how the curl patterns fall. Nice little crimps going on. I love, love, love the color. I just decided to do just a little bit of tweaking to it. The first thing I did was I went ahead and I plucked a little bit of hair out the parting space. You don't have to because the parting space is already decent right out the pack, but I just went ahead and did it. The second thing I did was I went ahead and plucked the front of the hairline. As you can see, one side is plucked and the other side isn't. I also used my hot comb to lay the hairline back just so it can give it that frontal look. And I think it came out great. So I'm about to do the other side. Okay, so this is the final look after I plucked and I used my hot comb. This unit comes with combs and adjustable strap, and it's, to me, this is hands down a really good one in the collection. Let me throw this bad boy on real quick. Y'all know I had to take the time to wish my husband a happy anniversary. Love you, Manny. Now back to this wig. Isn't this color just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I also had this unit in another color, but if you're following me on my Facebook, you know I sell these units real quick, and that unit is already sold. That was the color Balayage Gold. I'm wearing Balayage Mocha, and I also want this unit in the color 1. I didn't get any shedding or tangling from this unit. I do love the texture of this unit, but for this price point, it's probably going to shed and tangle. Like, it's a synthetic unit, but just really good quality. And I'm really impressed with it, and I love the color. It's big head friendly, but do not expect the ear tabs to go all the way to your sideburn. It's not going to happen. At least for me, it didn't. But I still made it do what it do. This lace was a tad bit too light for me, but I just went ahead and used my makeup. Plain and simple. And okay, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Like, what are you waiting for? And I will see you on my next video. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I drop a new wig review. Bye.